So that little guy right there, Mr. Laffy, just ran underneath the couch. He is 4 months old. Decided that he wanted to figure out how a treadmill works while I'm currently on it. Now, mind you, he has seen me on the treadmill a few times. But this was the first time he actually literally tried to join me and almost killed both of us. So he is currently hiding underneath the couch and telling Jello how terrible the whole experience was. So, in case any of y'all want to know how it's going, my walk was interrupted. So, yay. Love kitties. Love them so much.